Magic Bullet Blender. Earning a perfect score for its design, the original Magic Bullet is an ideal purchase if you are in the market for a compact and convenient smoothie maker. It comes with 9 accessories in total, including 3 cups and a steaming lid for use in the microwave. It also offers an array of functions such as chopping, mixing and dicing, in addition to blending. We found that it performed really well when blending leafy greens with no leakage, and with its affordable price point, it's a great buy for those who are shopping on a budget. However, the design is rather compact, meaning it produces smaller smoothies when compared to other models. If your day must begin with a healthy natural shake, or you prefer relaxing with a glass of frozen margaritas after a long day at work or week, a blender should be a must kitchen have for you. Due to its ease of use, impressive power and the simplicity in cleaning, bullet blenders are becoming increasingly sought after by consumers. Unlike the full-sized blenders, bullet blenders come in smaller capacities. While you may think this is a setback, it actually is a plus as it comes in handy when one needs to whip up a single smoothie glass. Most bullet blenders have a cup attached to it that doubles up as a drinking vessel. As more and more bullet brands infiltrate the market, it can be hard knowing which one is worth your money and which one isn't, especially with the baffling price tags and prices. Bullet blenders are different compared to other blenders. While regular blenders have a low RPM when it comes to their spinning capability to blend liquid ingredients, bullet blenders spin at speeds of up to 24,000 RPM to grind and crush seeds, vegetable flesh, and fruits, stems and pips to extract the nutritious vitamins. High-speed bullet blenders such as the Magic Bullet and Nutri-Bullet blenders have steel blades that are uniquely shaped to grind and crush the stems and pips to get the nutrients. They also have a milling blade that grinds nuts, coffee, seeds, and beans. The expert verdict. While compact in design, the original Magic Bullet produced mixed results in its performance. It scored top marks for blending our greener recipes, but struggled with tougher ingredients such as ice and seeds, which also tended to pulsate the device. We loved how easy it was to use and the array of accessories it provides, but it would ultimately not suit those who use ice as a common ingredient. Having said that, it would be ideal for healthy recipes and is good value for the results. Design, we liked. Versatile in the functions it offers. Very small and compact to store. Cups are microwave safe. Good price point. Cups and lids are dishwasher safe. Great for blending leafy greens. We didn't like. Very small cup size which limits the user to smaller smoothies. Struggled to pulverize ice as well as raspberry seeds. The whole device pulsates when it struggles with tougher ingredients. All product information provided by the manufacturer is correct at time of publication.